2 years ago I bought this motorcycle because a long time ago, almost 15 years, I had one, I fixed it, I rebuilt it, and then, the most stupid thing I did, I sold it. And from the moment I sold it, I thought that was a big mistake. That's why 2 years ago I bought another one, also damaged, it's very used. So we need to fix it, we need to rebuild it, we need to clean it, we need to recoat it, everything. Already started, as you can see. I did already spend some time on it. I powder coated the rear, how do you say it, achterbrug in English or in Dutch, but I don't know. Also powder coated the frame, the subframe, start building it, and then I thought, let's make it a YouTube story. Take 25. Give you a tour in the workshop. Come on. I made this building as a lounge area for the poolside, but it is winter, so we don't use the pool. I stopped the building phase for now and make it a small workshop to continue with the motorcycle, and hope we can finish it as soon as possible. Then it will be nice weather and we can riding the motorcycle. Workshop tour part 2. We have some small lighting for the dark evenings to continue building. A corner with all the parts, well, most of the parts. Some are new, like the exhaust, rear shock. Some are recoated, like the front shocks. Here we have the side stand, teller unit, freshly coated brakes. In that corner we have some storage because it's building phase, this workshop. Some heating because it's very cold, it's around 0 degrees Celsius. In the corner, my son, he's a great assistant. We have the toolbox with some music besides it and some green. And let's start. Okay, first problem. I assembled the rear shock, disassembled the rear shock absorber with this tool. This tool is for the lock nut. You can insert it like this and you can tighten it so the bolt will get stuck on its place. If I adjust it the way it should be, it doesn't reach the nut anymore. So that's quite strange. We need to drill the hole inside a little bit bigger so it go underneath the thread of the bolt. We have to wait to mount the shock absorber at the top. Now let's insert this piece. I thought it was a swing arm, I don't know. Let me know in the comments how you name or call this piece. I have no idea. I'm gonna install this one, so let's check. So now I have all the wrenches. Finally I have the correct one. So this is 15 and 17. 15. No, not even 15, it's 14. 3mm difference between the bolt and the nut. That's one. That doesn't fit, of course. And luckily we have the other side. So, nice and tight. I can show you the results. Brand new shock absorber. It's installed. Ready to go. Before we start the next job, first we need to clean up, put all the tools back in the toolbox, and then we start with a new job. Otherwise, if you miss any tools, you don't know where it is. Now it's on one place, it's in the toolbox. Let's clean it up. So, use front shock absorbers. They're all recoated. It's gold, metallic gold. So when the sun is shining on it, it has a little sparkle. That's great. Let's install them. Let's try it another way. So we need to fix the front fork, but with one person it's almost impossible to install. So I want to introduce you
to me, Denzel.
Yes, our second member of the
Yes.
channel, and we will try to build the channel to a success.
Yes, that's the plan for now.
Yeah, this is the first project. Well, already introduced you because I filmed already, and we can walk over to the second project that we have.
As we go
Wait a
to the
second.
garden.
Yeah, it's black, it's big, it's quite slow. What's more, it's heavy.
Not loud.
Yeah, it's almost 2 tons in weight. I already did a lot of it, over a lot on it, but
That's 4 wheels.
yeah. Let's see if you can see it. There's the Defender. But
It's
that's for
not
next
finished.
time. Who's that? That's my son. So first job, Denzel. We are going to fit the spring for the mid stand. Can you hold the bike straight up? Otherwise it will tip over. You see?
Do I need to lift it or not?
No, I don't know yet.
I think you can.
Good question.
I think on that one first, then you pull it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Zo, it's good. Oh, Jesus. Let's tip it over.
It's not heavy.
No. When it's complete, it weighs about 120 kilos. Jesus.
Even kijken hoe die. It's not as easy as we thought.
Well, it's in.
Just as I say it,
Yeah.
it fits.
So, yeah, that's as it should be. Works also.
Great.
Who can imagine? Yeah. Front fork.
Alright.
Okay. Way deeper than this one.
Yes.
And if I slide it in,
Normally the forks are also.
yeah,
You can
clipped
only
above.
only the nut is above.
Yeah. We'll check.
I think that's better.
Yeah. Nee, waar is die ander? Nee, wacht even. Moe. Zo zit hij nog, denk ik. Kijk wel even op de computer. Rebuilding this bike should be pretty easy and straightforward. It's an old one with nothing special on it. But it's been a while since we pulled this bike apart. So as you can see, installing the clip-ons, yeah, it should be a straightforward thing, but for us it wasn't that simple. We need to look into all the photos of the teardown. For those of you who already know your bikes, you probably spotted the front fork is mounted way too low. Let's keep it on. Oh, we can take this one. This too.
Yes. That's the one.
Now we can install the tellers if you want.
Yeah, sure. Is this a new one?
No. Rebuild it. Yeah, refurbish it. That's the correct term. Normally this one is black. For the temperature is also black scale. This one is always white. But it's my personal opinion, that everything white is much nicer than black, white, black. So I changed the plates behind the glass. Okay. Dat zit vast.
That's really good.
Yeah. Where is that thing? Wait a second before you install it completely. I think it should be over here.
6 bolts.
6
And
minus
this
1.
Yes.
Yeah.
You don't have much space here.
No,
No.
it did come off in a normal way without breaking something, so it should be
it's
fit
on.
together quite easily.
It's
Yeah, that's normal, that's normal.
It's tight.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take a break, let the camera cool down, and then we're gonna continue. We made some progress today.
Looks a lot more like a real bike.
Yeah, I'm quite happy with the progress.